welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis, guys. Yesterday, guys, we were buying this. We hit both of our targets. Today, guys, I feel like a double top is forming right here. So, guys, as long as we stay below this, I'm guessing we are bullish, but we need to break close below this wedge area. Okay, guys, keep in mind we need this candle, this one edge candle, close below this wedge area for a confirmed sell. Okay, guys. So as long as we are below 1.37013, guys, we get a double top, and if we get a double top, guys, my target would be 1.36434, and my next target, guys, could be 1.36211. Guys, I would always start buying this if the price breaks above, and my target, guys, would be 1.37343. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.